So I'm not really sure if you've noticed, it's raining outside right now. I just had this fabulous, great idea that I would do a what to do on a rainy day video supporting my Catherine Tumbles girl. The first thing that you need to do on a rainy day is obviously put on a sweatshirt because it gets colder outside when it rains. Sorry, just a quick dance break. So the next thing that you need to do on a rainy day is obviously look up the weather to make sure it's raining outside, because you know, what if it's just like a prank? So I always look up the weather to make sure it's actually raining. It's definitely raining right now. Oh my gosh, it's raining. The next thing I'm gonna do on my rainy day is build a fort. This is probably the best fort I've ever made. Like, the next thing that you do on a rainy day is cozy up with a good book. Here's my selection of books. I really just found the perfect book. The book. The next really good and fun and fresh thing to do would be make music. Make yourself Snoop Dogg, the equivalent. Another great thing to do is just like watch the rain, you know? No one really knows how to drive in the rain.
Nobody knows how to drive in the rain.
You know, the roads are actually the slickest in the first half hour.
You know, the roads are actually the slickest in the first half hour.
Oh, the plants are gonna love this.
Oh, the plants are gonna love this.
Yeah.
Wow, it's raining cats and dogs out there.
Wow, it is raining cats and dogs out there.
I actually sleep better when it's raining.
I actually sleep better when it's raining.
I mean, normally the rain would make me want to stay at home curled up with a good book. But everyone's being so nice to me today. I'm happy to be here.
I mean, normally the rain would make me want to stay at home curled up with a good book, but everybody's being so nice to me today. I'm really happy being here.